Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a quick review and tutorial of a very affordable 3-barrel curler or waver from Amazon, which I'll have linked down below, and that is what gave me these really pretty mermaid waves. And if you are interested to see if it works well without complications, then stay tuned. Okay, so I've got my extensions in, if you can't tell. Here is the 3-barrel waver from Amazon that I'll be using. It has 2 heats and I use the lesser of the 2 because I've got fine hair. Also, make sure you grab some heat protectant spray because you want to take care of your hair when you're using a lot of heat. And though this is the lesser of the 2 heats, it's still a lot of heat, so you want to make sure to protect your hair. I am using this detangler brush. You want to make sure your hair is fully brushed out before you do any styling to it, because you don't want to style it with knots in it. That's just, that's not good. This is a personal choice, but I put a little bit of oil in it because I'm wearing my extensions. That'll just help keep some of the frizz down. It's a personal preference, but that's what I do. Now it's time to section off your hair. You don't want to do too thick of sections. That's just kind of the rule of thumb. I use this alligator clip for my hair. I really like it. I'll link some down below if you are interested. This is about the size that I will be using. If you see the bottom of the iron, you'll see that it kind of goes up, and you want to make sure your hair is going with the flow of the iron. So instead of going down, I am facing it up as to not get a big crease in my hair. So as you go down, you put the barrel closest to you kind of in the groove that the previous barrel left, if that makes any sense. So you don't need to be holding this on too long because each section will get a barrel on it twice. I hope that makes sense. Especially when I get down to the ends, I don't hold it long at all because it doesn't take that much for ends to take the heat. So I'll just be finishing off this bottom section. Again, remember to go with the flow of the iron, and if this is there and you use, that means you kind of point up. And maybe that'll help show you where the barrel goes when I say it goes into the previous groove. So just a reminder, don't hold it too long. Alright, now that the bottom is done, I'm going to speed through the rest so that you don't have to sit and watch it all. And I will see you back when I am done.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
Okay, when I am all done, I use this curl boosting spray. I don't use hairspray or anything like that. And this just kind of helps keep it together. Again, helps with frizz and to kind of hold its shape. But you don't do too much because you don't want your hair to get crunchy, if you know what I mean. You don't like crunchy hair. And voila, I am all done. You can make this messier if you want by doing some back combing. I personally, at least today, am not going to be doing that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and review. I definitely give this iron a thumbs up. If you're interested, it'll be down below in the description. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.